Every day, tens of thousands of vehicles cross over bridges. Each weld plays a vital role in structural connection and load transfer. Non-destructive testing is one of the key technologies for bridge steel structure inspection. The focus of inspection is precisely this critical weld that bear stress. Over time, under continuous vehicle loads, wind force, and environmental factors, fatigue cracks and other defects can gradually develop inside welds. Many of the defects are invisible to the naked eyes. That is why ultrasonic testing is widely used for internal weld inspection during bridge manufacturing acceptance and throughout operational maintenance. To demonstrate the principle of bridge weld inspection, we use standard weld test blocks and steel reference blocks for illustration. When ultrasonic waves encounter defects such as cracks or lack of fusion, abnormal echoes are generated. Inspectors use these echoes to determine the location and depth of the defects. NDT for bridges is not just about finding flaws. More importantly, it provides reliable data for bridge maintenance and safety assessment.